Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital being built in Montego Bay. Now, as you know, the government has two massive hotel projects on the way in Montego Bay. One, they are rebuilding the Cornwall Regional Hospital, or I should say redeveloping, but they're literally building a new hospital. Billions of dollars being spent. And they're also building a children's hospital on the same compound as the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now, the children's hospital is a joint venture between Jamaica and the Chinese government. So you're going to have two massive hospitals down in Montego Bay. And the children's hospital is a 220 bed facility. Huge undertaking. All right, and in addition to those two hospitals, they're also doing major upgrades to the hospital at UWI. They are building a new hospital down by KPH, and they're building a new hospital down by Spanish Town. So a lot is going on with the healthcare sector in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. 800 million allocated for Western Children and Adolescent Hospital project. The government has set aside more than 800 million for completion works and purchasing of machines for a Western Children and Adolescent Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James. Details are outlined in the 2025-26 estimates of expenditure tabled in the House of Representatives recently. The project is aimed at building a 220-bed facility on the compound of the Cornwall Regional Hospital to provide medical services for children and adolescents up to 18 years across Western Jamaica. During the new financial year, the funds will be used to complete cladding of the building and to procure additional equipment for the hospital, which will be the first of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. Construction activities up to the end of December 2024 included completion of phases 1 and 2 at the facility, structural works for a main building, the nurses' residence, morgue, and underground water tanks, and upgrade of the sewage system. Work under the project commenced in 2017 and is being funded by the Government of Jamaica and the People's Republic of China. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.